In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change GoHighLevel calendar theme color. If you want your booking experience to match your brand, updating the calendar theme color is a quick win. Start inside your GoHighLevel account and make sure you're in the correct workspace or location where the calendar lives. From the main menu, head to Settings. This is the control center for account-level configuration, including calendars and their appearance. Once you're in Settings, open the Calendars section. Here, you'll see your calendar groups and the individual calendars within them. If you manage multiple calendars, take a moment to identify the one you actually want to adjust. Keeping your naming conventions clear can really help here. Next, look for the calendar you want to modify and click the pen icon to edit it. That icon opens the calendar's configuration panel. If you don't see an edit option, you might not have permissions for that calendar, so check with an admin to ensure your user role can make changes. Inside the editor, find the option labeled Meeting Color or Theme Color. You'll see a color swatch or picker. Click it to open the color selection tool. You can drag the selector to choose a shade, or, if you have a specific brand color, paste its hex code directly for an exact match. If your brand uses a style guide, this is a great time to reference it so your booking blocks and highlights are consistent with your website and emails. As you choose a color, keep readability in mind. Very dark or very light colors can affect how text and icons appear on the booking widget and within your internal calendar view. Aim for a color with good contrast, so times, labels, and event details remain easy to read for both your team and your clients. If you're unsure, pick a mid-tone brand color and adjust as needed later. After you've picked your color, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button and click it. Don't navigate away or close the window before saving, or your new theme color won't apply. That's it. The calendar theme color you selected will now reflect in the booking interface and on scheduled events where the meeting color is displayed. If you don't see the update right away, a quick page refresh usually does the trick, and browser caching can sometimes delay visual changes briefly. To recap, you went to Settings, opened Calendars, edited the calendar with the pen icon, selected your meeting color, and saved. This small change helps create a cohesive, professional booking experience that aligns with your brand. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed, on-brand calendar.